get up on your feet. What you need to do is catch up with them. Bounce, man, get up on your feet and help me get it.
Some do it in the microwave, while others use the fridge or the kitchen counter. But now a food scientist has revealed that there is only one safe way to defrost meat, and it's not by using a setting on an appliance. The food scientist makes the revelation on tonight's episode of Inside the Factory on BBC2 after co-presenter Cherry Healey reveals she always uses the defrost setting on a microwave to thaw meat. It finally puts the rest of the debate about the best way to thaw food.Of microwaving to defrost meat. Prof Stathopoulos said, "It is really not the best of techniques. It is always the recommendation to follow the instructions on the packaging." The cold temperature slows down bacterial growth, which reduces the risk of an upset stomach, he explains. Only 1 in 10 people are confident about how to safely freeze and defrost food, the show reveals. The turkey left at room temperature is revealed to have twice the bacteria of the meat that has been left to thaw in the fridge, including ecoli microorganisms. Prof Stathopoulos also confirms that reheating food that was previously frozen will mean bacteria multiply and make the food unsafe to eat. But Prof Stathopoulos reveals that you can refreeze cooked food, even if it was previously frozen when raw.